Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to prove your commbank account balance, but couldn't figure out how? It's a common dilemma, especially when dealing with important transactions like buying a home or applying for a loan. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to obtain a proof of balance from CommBank. CommBank, or Commonwealth Bank, is one of Australia's leading financial institutions, serving millions of customers across the country. When you need to verify your account balance for various purposes, a proof of balance document is essential. This document serves as official confirmation of the funds available in your account. Step 1. Online banking access. The most convenient way to get a proof of balance is through CommBank's online banking platform. Log into your account, enter your username and password to access your online banking dashboard. Navigate to the Statements section, look for a tab or option labeled Statements or something similar. Select Proof of Balance. Choose the option specifically designed for obtaining a proof of balance. Customize your preferences. You may have the option to specify the date range for the proof of balance and choose whether you want it emailed to you or downloaded directly. Step 2. CommBank app. If you prefer using the CommBank app, the process is equally straightforward. Open the CommBank app, launch the app on your smartphone or tablet. Find the Statements section, look for a tab or option related to statements or account history. Select Proof of Balance, choose the option to generate a proof of balance. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you through the process of customizing your preferences and obtaining the proof of balance. Step 3. Visiting a branch. While online and app methods are generally preferred for convenience, you can also visit a CommBank branch if needed. Locate a nearby branch. Use CommBank's branch locator to find a convenient location. Bring your identification. Have your ID ready to verify your identity. Request a proof of balance. Inform the bank representative that you need a proof of balance for your account. Provide necessary details. You may be asked to provide your account number or other identifying information. Additional tips. Save a copy. Once you obtain the proof of balance, make sure to save a digital or physical copy for your records. Check for fees. Some banks may charge a fee for obtaining a proof of balance, so inquire about any applicable charges. Consider a statement. If you need a more detailed overview of your account activity, you can request a full statement instead of just a proof of balance. Getting a proof of balance from CommBank is a simple process that can be completed in a few easy steps. Whether you prefer online banking, the app, or visiting a branch, you can obtain the necessary documentation to verify your account balance. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you'll be well equipped to handle any situation that requires proof of your CommBank account balance. Do you have any questions about obtaining a proof of balance from CommBank? Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.